everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about homeopathic medicine, which is helpful in the treatment of constipation. I'd already done so many medicine which is helpful in the treatment of constipation. One of it is all about the Apis mellifica, the constipation, and antimonium crude constipation, and there are so many. And I'd also kind of did alumina in constipation. If you are new to our channel, please do go and look into the playlist, and don't forget to press on the bell icon. Myself, Dr. Megha from Yogi Komya Science. Today's topic is all about homeopathic medicine in the treatment of constipation. The remedy which I had selected today to talk about is Bryennia alba. What is Bryennia alba? First, you should be knowing before you go into the specific symptoms of constipation. Moving on to the Bryennia alba. Bryennia alba is called as white bryony, where the patient is tall, slender, and having dark hair with dark complexion, and firm muscular fibers is also seen. But the patient is always angry and irritable, and the patient is always hot. They will be always craving for the cold things, and most of the complaints are aggravated in the summer. Moving on to the keynote symptoms of Bryennia alba. All complaints are worst from the motion. Means all complaints are worst from the motion. There is general amelioration also. General along with the ameliorated by absolute rest and pressure. Wherever the pain is there, if you apply the pressure, the patient is feeling better, because that is the general aggravation and amelioration factors are there in the Bryennia alba. It is very kind of medicine which is of dryness, because dryness of the mucous membrane, dryness of the lips, dryness of the hair, dryness of the scalp, dryness of the nose, dryness of the ears, dryness of the eyes, dryness of the skin. There are cracks in the skin, dryness of the throat. Everywhere you can see the dryness, and dryness of the stools, dryness of the urinary symptom, because of that they pass very less urine with the burning. So desire for the things which are really needed, but when we give that, they often reject it. And there is aversion for the milk and rich food and fatty and very oily deep fried foods. They cannot take it. And there is also a kind of breast is stony hard, and everything is stony, like that of sensation is there in the Bryennia alba. But they want complete rest, and they want complete kind of means they want pressure in everything. They always put the pressure on themselves. Even while sleeping, they put their abdomen, and means they put their abdomen on the bed, means they sleep upside down like that. So that kind of thing is there in the Bryennia alba. Pressure amelioration is there, and complete rest of absolute rest. They does not want to sit, but they want to sleep. That is absolute rest, lying on the full, like opening their hands and feet and lying, and there is no need to tension about it like that. So moving on to the constipation of Bryennia alba. The gastrointestinal symptoms of Bryennia alba. There is great dryness of mucous membrane, and stomach. There is a pressure in the stomach, as if stone is lying at the pit of the stomach, because stone is there in overall Bryennia alba. Vomiting of bile immediately after eating, pain in the abdomen, aggravated after food and not revealed by pressure. Most of the pains of Bryennia alba are relieved by pressure. except the gastric pain. Moving on to the constipation of the Bryonia alba, how the pain is, how the sensation is, what are the causations are, what are the character of the stool, what are the concomitants of the stool and everything. Constipation. Causation. As bryonia causes dryness of mucous membrane of colon, it produces very bad type of constipation. Because bryonia is a dryness remedy, when there is dryness, the motion cannot move. Because of that, the passage of the stool is very less. The movement of the stool is very less. How is the sensation? No inclination or there is no desire to stool. Means in some drugs there will be desire for the stool but they are unable to pass it, like alumina. But here they does not even want to pass it because they cannot even feel that the stool is inside their body because of the dryness. Character of the stool. Stool is very dry, hard, knotty, as if burnt. That kind of a stool. Means as soon as you know, you kind of differentiate with, like, okay, it is so dry, it is so hard, knotty, and as if burnt. And what are the concomitant symptom which is accompanied with the bryonia alba? Headache due to constipation with dry tongue and thirst for large quantity of cold water at long intervals. This is one of the peculiar. Headache due to constipation is there, and with dry tongue because the dryness is accompanied, and thirst for large quantities of cold water at longer intervals. Means morning they will be taking 1 liter of water, that is cold water, then they will be drinking it for afternoon, then in the evening, means 2 to 3 hours there is interval. There are longer intervals also, but when they drink, they does not drink in the sips, they drink in the very, like 1 liter, 1.5 liter, like that. So this is all about the constipation of bryonia alba. If there is so much of dryness and if there is so much of dry, hard, knotty constipation, then you can think of bryonia alba. Moving on to the general modalities of the bryonia alba. What makes that symptom worst? From the least motion, from the exertion, from the touch, from the warmth, from the warm food and warm drink, from warm room and somehow. And it is also a kind of thing like suppressed discharge of any kind at and there are also time modalities aggravation, that is 9 p.m. when they are feeling better, when they are in the absolute complete rest, lying on the painful side with the pressure. And pressure is the main key amelioration factor of bryonia alba. And cold eating food, cold food, or taking cold drink, because they always want the things which is at least cold, not icy cold. The icy cold people are also there, but in the later remedies I'll be talking about it. That's all for the video. Homeopathic medicine which is helpful in the treatment of constipation, bryonia alba. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like and subscribe and keep supporting me and my channel like this. If you have any kind of recommendation which you want to know about homeopathy or homeopathic medicine, you can just comment below. Thank you.